Happy New Year's, y'all. Today, I thought it would be fun to mix in a bunch of stuff into slime. Basically, with these videos, you put as much as the slime can hold. We're gonna push the slime to the limit and see how much it can take. I got a bunch of clear 8-ounce containers, and I'm so excited because I've seen these videos go around, but I've actually never done one, and I watch them like crazy. Let's get straight to it, honey. I'm starting off with some clay. So I got this clay right here. I'm not even sure exactly what I'm doing, but... I literally am just placing these randomly because I thought it would look cool. Ooh, how does that look? Ooh, what about that? So cool. I'm actually surprised it turned into a slime because it is so, like, you could just feel all the clay. I feel like it could take more clay. That was probably just enough. I think this is the most that you can definitely add. If I add a little bit more, it's just, I feel like it's gonna melt. It's getting sticky. It's super sizzly. I almost ruined just adding half of these. I think this is the max. I don't think you could take more. It's getting really sticky, but it's also really dense. I think this is the max that an 8-ounce could hold, which is actually a lot. It feels like literally just clay. It just feels like clay. An 8-ounce turned into a 40-ounce. Next up we got, that is a lot of pearls. Do they look pretty on there?
Mm-hmm. Holy mother of pearl.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I think we could add more, but small ones. The big ones are too big. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What am I doing? Oh. This thing is huge. This is actually so heavy, it could hurt somebody. I have reached capacity with this one. I love the sounds though. Next up, I'm doing Pigment. I love Pigment so freaking much. This is so exciting. I don't even know what colors to choose. I feel like going for a rose gold type of vibe. So I'm gonna take everything that's like gold and pinkish, and we're just gonna go in, sweetie. Rush is gonna be the first one. It doesn't look as cute as I thought I would, but let's go in there. Ooh. Okay, these videos are way messier than I thought. Look at it from the side. Oh my god, what did I do? Oh my god, it's so cringy because like the powder makes it dry, so it dries out your hands and it makes it sticky. It's so thick at the same time. It's so hard to explain. Okay, this literally stained my table. This is such a pretty color. Let's see if it can take a little bit more. I'm actually gonna add it in here though. It's almost sticky in a way because the thing is it's getting thicker because of the powder, but the powder is making my hands dry. It's making my hands stick to it. It's a really weird, like, I don't like it. It is such a pretty color. I think it could do more though. We're going in, honey. This is such a crazy color. What is this? Is this like copper now? I can't believe it's holding up after so much. It's still nice and stretchy. Well, hello. It's getting extra bubbly. Okay, honey. This feels so wrong. That is a lot of freaking pigment. How is this taking so much pigment? Ooh, girl. I'm not sure if it's gonna be able to take more than this. It's okay, we're gonna get you in there, girl. I promise. It's okay, sweetie. Oh, how do these videos always look so satisfying and not messy at all? I feel like this is so cringy, you guys. This is so messy right now. Ew. I think this is the most this can take. But oh my gosh, look how much freaking pigment. This is definitely the most I can hold. It's not even staying in the slime anymore. It's starting to stain the table. It's coming off on me. I could color such a big batch using this slime. You can't even see through it anymore. Oh my god. Getting foam beads out of bags is the most annoying thing ever. Oh my god. Come out now. 2 bags. Let's start off with 2 bags. This is gonna be fun. Oh my gosh, this is going everywhere. It's still good, but it's starting to get to the point that it's not stretching as much. But it could still take more, so we're just gonna try to get this whole 2 bags in. No bead fallout yet. Okay, iconic. I think we can get a little bit more in there. Come on. Okay, I think that's it actually, because now it's starting to come off a little bit. If I add more, I'm going to ruin it completely and it won't even be able to stretch anymore. Right now, it still stretches a little bit where the bead's still intact, but I'm starting to see fallout. No. This is definitely capacity. That is about 3 bags. That's 3 bags to 1 8-ounce. This is so satisfying though. It's so crunchy. Holy crunch. This would make such a beautiful slime if it was sent to like cake or something. Last but not least, I'm mixing in some jelly cubes. I'm gonna start off with that and then we're gonna drape it. Oh, that was so unsatisfying. These cubes are a little big. Oh my god, is that already too much? Oh my gosh. Come on. Gotta make some room. I can't believe I'm adding so much of this. I can't believe I'm making it work. Come on, we're trying to go out with a bang. I can add all of these. I bet you. I could do it. The only way this is fitting in here is because I'm crushing the heck out of all of these. I don't know if I can do them all. This kind of looks like aloe vera or something. I don't think I could. You know what? We're almost there. We only have about 6 left. It already can't move. I feel like we could totally add them in. We did it. I added them all in. If this expands, like once they expand, there won't even be anything holding them together. The bubble pops, I can't stop. I just can't. Ooh, that is a workout. Talk about inflation nation. Okay, this was actually really fun, but also, I don't know why, I feel like it was a little bit, like, really messy. There is metallic powder all over my pants. Love that. This one was so pretty. The pearl one, I was kind of shook. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to click that like button. Comment down below your New Year's resolutions. I feel like I have the same ones all the freaking time. I need to get it together. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Happy New Year. I hope you have a fantastic 2019. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy New Year. Bye.